Traditional Chinese medicine has been helping overseas patients address health problems through various approaches, such as acupuncture, cupping, and herbal medicine. Qihuang Traditional Chinese Medicine Center of Hungary was set up by Northwest China's Gansu Provincial Health Commission in 2016. It has been operating with the help of consecutive teams of Chinese doctors sent to Hungary to provide medical assistance.
新病人变成老病人，然后老病人给咱们介绍新病人。
Gansu is a major TCM production base in China and has a long history of growing TCM herbs. Since the Belt and Road Initiative was proposed in 2013, Gansu has signed cooperation contracts with 12 countries and built 16 TCM education, research and treatment facilities overseas. A growing number of overseas students and practitioners have come to China to experience and learn TCM therapies.
我叫金明哲，来自塔吉克斯坦。我19年的时候第一次来到中国，现在我是甘肃中药大学学生，我的专业是针灸推拿。因为我自己本来对这个中医针灸很感兴趣，然后我们那边的人他们也非常相信中医治疗。
我叫白双梅，我来自印度尼西亚，现在我是在甘肃中医药大学学习中西医临床专业。我感觉中医很神奇，它的内容很丰富，也是历史很长，文化也很多。
China is continuing its efforts to introduce TCM more fully to the world, especially in countries and regions participating in the Belt and Road Initiative. According to statistics from the National Administration of Traditional Chinese Medicine, TCM has spread to 196 countries and regions, gaining worldwide recognition.